Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Slow Talk Mastery. I am Emma, and I am so glad you are joining us today.
And I am Mark. Hello, Emma. You look very professional today. Are you ready for a big meeting?
Not a meeting, Mark, but a very important topic. Today, we are talking about small talk at work. You know, those little conversations we have in the hallway, the elevator, or while making coffee.
Ah, yes. In English, we sometimes call this water cooler talk. It's so important because it helps you make friends at work and makes the day more pleasant.
But many students tell me they feel stuck. They don't know what to say besides hello. So today, we are going to give you a lot of examples.
This is a long episode, everyone, so we have plenty of time to practice. But before we start, Emma, can you remind our friends what to do if they like our videos?
Of course, if you want to support us, please subscribe to our channel, Slow Talk Mastery, and please click the like button. It really helps our channel grow so we can keep making these free lessons for you.
And don't forget to share this with your colleagues. Maybe you can practice together. Okay, Emma, imagine we are in the break room. I am making tea and you walk in. What do you say?
The most natural way to start is with a greeting and a comment about the day. For example, "Morning, Mark. How is your morning going so far?"
It's going well, thanks. A bit busy, but okay. How about yours?
Not too bad, just trying to finish those reports. Now, listeners, notice how I mentioned my work? That gives Mark a chance to ask more.
Right. I could say, "Oh, the monthly reports. Are they almost done?"
Exactly. Or if you want to be more casual, you can talk about the coffee. Is the coffee fresh? Or, "I really need this caffeine today."
We all do. Another great topic for small talk at work is the weather, especially if it affects the commute. Did you get caught in the rain this morning?
Oh, that's a good one. Fortunately, no, I just missed it. Mark, what if I don't know the person very well? Maybe they are from a different department.
Then you can ask about their role. "I don't think we've met formally. I'm Mark from marketing. Which department are you in?"
That is so polite. "I'm Emma from accounting. Nice to meet you, Mark." See? It's simple, slow, and friendly.
Now, we are at work, so it's natural to talk about work. But you don't want it to feel like a meeting. Emma, how do we ask about someone's work without being too serious?
You can ask about their busyness. For example, "Are you having a busy week?" Or, "How is that new project coming along?"
How is it coming along? That's a great phrase. It means, how is the progress?
Exactly. And if they say they are very stressed, you can be supportive. You can say, "I hear you. This time of year is always hectic."
Hectic. That's a fancy word for very, very busy. Let's say it slowly. Tick.
Another good topic is the weekend. If it's Friday, you ask, "Got any big plans for the weekend?" If it's Monday, you ask, "How was your weekend? Did you do anything fun?"
I love talking about the weekend. It makes the office feel more human. If I say, "I went hiking," Emma might say, "Oh, that sounds lovely. Where did you go?"
And then the conversation flows. But Mark, there are some things we should not talk about at work, right?
Oh, definitely. Avoid the 3 Ps: politics, personal problems, and prices, money. Keep it light and positive.
This is the part that many people find difficult. You are talking, but you have a meeting in 2 minutes. How do you leave without being rude?
You need a signal. You can say, "Well, I'd better get back to my desk. I have a deadline at noon."
Or, "It was great catching up with you, but I should let you get back to your work."
I should let you get back to your work. That is so polite because it sounds like you're being helpful to them.
It's a secret trick. Or simply, "Anyway, I'll see you at the meeting later. Have a good one."
Have a good one. That just means have a good day. It's very common in offices.
Let's practice that. Listeners, repeat after me. Have a good one.
Perfect. Now, Emma, let's do a full role play, from hello to goodbye.
Okay. Morning, Mark. Did you have a good weekend?
It was great, thanks. I just relaxed at home. How about you, Emma?
I went to see a movie on Sunday. It was quite good. Anyway, are you ready for the presentation today?
Almost. I'm just finishing my slides. It's been a hectic morning.
I can imagine. Well, I'll let you get back to it. Good luck with the slides.
Thanks, Emma. See you later.
That was a perfect office conversation. It was short, polite, and professional.
And we didn't use any difficult words. You can do this, everyone.
Small talk at work is like a bridge. It connects you to your team. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will feel.
Before we go, we have a question for you in the comments. What is your favorite topic to talk about at work? Food, weather, or hobbies?
Tell us in English. We love reading your answers. And if you enjoyed this long episode, please like and subscribe to Slow Talk Mastery.
Share this video with your friends who are working in English-speaking environments. Let's help everyone feel confident.
Thank you for joining us today. You are doing a great job with your English.
Keep practicing, stay calm, and have a wonderful day at the office.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone.